Oh my gosh. I'm hungry.
Today is a very special day, ladies and gentlemen.
It's Rusev Day.
Because today is Shrove Day. AKA Fat Tuesday.
It is Fat Tuesday.
AKA Pancake Tuesday, baby.
Yo, you missing Miss Butterworth though, baby.
Now, in order to celebrate our most favorite holiday, my man Big E is going to destroy the record of eating 113 pancakes in 8 minutes.
Yo, Big E Chestnuts. He's an eater.
How you feel?
How you feel?
Well, all right.
Feel good?
He feels good.
Yo, you need some water, like some orange juice. Like, how you gonna get that
Who wants
down?
to see Big E break this record?
Yeah, but you gotta get him some liquids, bruh.
I do.
Get some medical staff for the Heimlich too.
Up on the screen right now.
Let's go.
This is not sanctioned.
Now for a taste of things to come. In 3, 2.
Yo, he should be drinking like Miss Butterworth. Put some butter on them, they're too dry, bruh. Oh, he just going for it. He going all in. He's going all in, bruh. I don't know how many he got in his hand, but he grabbing more. The counter's at like 0. Oh my God, he's eating them. Go, 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 go. No, what happened? Oh, we getting interrupted. Bro, why are you interrupted? We having a contest over here. What you doing?